Well, we're making awesome progress. The 52, dare I say, she's even drivable now. We still got to figure out the alternator bracket. I've got a new e-brake cable and a new axle that we're installing. But working with Bill, he's helping us with the wiring with the lights too, because we still haven't sorted that out. So I need to send him some videos, and I thought, you know what? It's progress. Let's just make a little short video. That way too, if he needs to reference it, there we go. Man, something about this business coupe style, I love it. It's so cool. So anyways, let's go under, and actually I might need to add some light under here. Now the wiring for the lights, of course, at this point, well, those need to come out, but you can see they actually just wrap through right here and come back around to whatever this junction box is. And then these red wires is just what I put, so ignore those. But that all comes around from here, basically loops through. You can see it down here, right? And then it goes over. Where does it go over? It goes back over, I guess, to this box back here. That's interesting. Now, excuse the messy wire. We got our own wiring we're trying to contend with. So then, of course, let's see, all your basic wiring, right? Going from the coil to all that, or from the alternator. The alternator one goes right up to here, of course. Then, of course, we've got our power. Then we've got this going, of course, to the starter. So, yeah, that's pretty much it on this side. And as far as space, if we need space to mount anything, we got plenty. So that's good. And then going into the car, let's go in there and we'll look at under the dash. The nice thing with this car is there's really not much for wiring. So that probably makes it easy. Let's take a peek under this route though. So this is kind of interesting, doing kind of an upside down deal. But there's our e-brake cable. And then we go over to, man, can you see enough? That's the hard part. The hard part is, am I showing what needs to be shown here? Let's see here. So, I guess we could probably go through here. Now this plate doesn't appear to be removable, although they do seem to be separate. But if we go in this way, that gives another, hold on, let me maybe zoom out a little bit. So there we go. That can maybe help show you. Now as far as what the wires do, oh, I don't know if I'm on that level yet. But, all right, so we're under this is behind the steering column, so there's all the gauges for your gauges, or that's all the wiring for the gauges. There you go. And that's the vent cables and whatnot. I don't know if there's much else to show on that side. I guess maybe the tricky thing is there's not a lot of dash real estate, I guess. I mean, relatively, it's actually, it's not like a new car where it's got a bunch of areas. Because this is original. I don't know that you'd want to drill into that. But, let's see. I mean, there is spots under there if we need to put switches. I mean, or maybe a custom bracket here or something could come down. That would be kind of cool. Like you could have a drop down thing. That would be pretty cool. And then, so also the guy before me, and I think it's like the trailer wire connectors, he wired all those from the back and it drops down, but it's not, they're not wired to anything per se. So if we're looking in the trunk, I'll show you what I mean. Excuse the mess, but if we're in the trunk, that wire comes back. You can see it right along the back there, but I don't think it's actually plugged into anything. And the lights are basically just, I think that's the same wire that goes to a tail light. You can see there's a, yeah, that's gotta be it. See how it goes on the side? Oh, hit my head. So there's really not much for wiring, which is probably good. I'm really curious to see what Bill comes up with, because Bill's a smart guy, man. And some of the stuff he does, it's pretty awesome. So I'm curious to see what solutions he has, but that's pretty much it. That's the wiring that we're tackling right now. And again, we're making awesome progress, so I'm really happy about it. Make sure to tune in, you guys. We should have a driving video soon. I think it's actually soon.